Hi folks, this is Aude. Numbers are part of everyday life conversation. So in today's video, you're going to learn and practice on how to say your age, a price, an address, or even a phone number. Ready to step up your French? Let's give it a go. Let's start with the targets for today's lesson. How can you become more confident with practice? So each time you'll see this, it's your turn to speak. To say your age, you need to know numbers. If you don't know numbers from 1 to 20, you can watch the video about dates. Comment on dit en français? How do you say in French? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Comment on dit en français? Your turn. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's listen carefully to the next ones. 23, 35, 47, 59, 61. To know numbers, you need to know the tens and numbers from 1 to 9. But be careful because for 21, 31, 41, 51 and 61, in French we say 20 and 1, 30 and 1, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Comment on dit en français? It's your turn. 23, 35, 47, 59, 61. Okay guys, for the next numbers, you need to be good at math. 70 is 70. 60, 10. 60 plus 10 makes 70. So for 71, you would need 60, 11. 72, 60, 12. 71, 72, 73, and so on and so on. So again, remember guys, you really need to know numbers from 11 to 19. The person who created 80 was a bit crazy. Listen to that one. 80. 80. 420. 4 times 20 is 80. I know guys, it sounds crazy, but that's the way it is in French. 80. 81, 82, 83, and so on and so on. 80 plus number from 1 to 9. 90 is 90. 4, 20, 10. 4 times 20 plus 10 equals 90. And for the next one, you need to make sure that you know 11 to 19. 91, 92, 93, and it continues like that till 99. The last one you need is 100, 100. Comment on dit en français? Your turn. 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done guys, you've made it to 100. So now you can answer the following question. Quel âge as-tu? Tu as quel âge? How old are you? J'ai 33 ans. So in French, guys, it's a bit tricky because we are not saying I am and your age, we are saying I have and our age. J'ai 33 ans. The other thing you need to remember is if you're using only I have 33, people are going to ask you 33 what? That's what you need to use years old, which is the word an at the end of your sentence. J'ai 33 ans. Before we practice, let's think about your age in French. Try to remember it. Quel âge as-tu? Your turn. J'ai 33 ans. Now let's imagine that you're asking for an address. C'est quoi ton adresse? What is your address? Mon adresse, c'est 66 avenue de la République. 66. Did you get that one? C'est quoi ton adresse? Your turn for the question. Mon adresse, c'est 66 avenue de la République. You also need to know how to pronounce a phone number. In French, we're using the numbers 2 by 2. Please leave your questions and comments below if you need. C'est quoi ton numéro de téléphone? What is your phone number? Mon numéro, c'est 01 46 68 59 87. C'est quoi ton numéro? Your turn. Mon numéro, c'est 02 86 64 27 61. French people love to go on local markets to buy some food, but sometimes you need to ask for the price. Combien ça coûte? Ça coûte combien? C'est combien? These three questions mean how much is it? C'est 25 euros. 25 euros. Combien ça coûte? Ça coûte combien? Your turn. C'est 48 euros. Well done, guys! Learning number is a very important step to speak everyday French. So what's your next step? Check out that playlist on basics where you can learn how to say the alphabet, dates, introducing yourself, pets and colors, and please don't forget to subscribe not to miss any videos. À bientôt!